This one's called I Heard, said the bird, by Polly Berrien Berens. Pictures by Brad Sneed. A bird flew into the barnyard. I heard, said the bird. I heard. What? Asked all the animals. What did you hear? I heard, said the bird, that there is a new one coming. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, what is the new one going to be? They asked the duck, is the new one a duckling? But the duck said, no. They asked the pig, is the new one a piglet? But the pig said, no. They asked the goose and the hare. Do you think it's the goose or the hare? They asked the mouse and the mare. They asked here and there and everywhere, but everyone said no. How do you know there's a new one coming? Said the animals all together. I heard, said the bird. How? Said the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house, squeaked the mouse. Can you guess what the new one might be? The bird heard the news in the house. Just then, a little boy came out. What's going on? He asked. Well, the animals told him. It's about the new one. I heard, said the bird. How? Said the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house? Squeaked the mouse. Yes, said the little boy. Yes, what? Shouted all the animals. Yes, said the little boy, the new one is in the house. And if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him. Ooh, cried all the animals together. Then, very quietly, the little boy led the animals to the house, and very quietly they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. It's a new baby, whispered the boy. My word, said the bird. And how? Said the cow. Of course, said the horse.